All aboard for the train, all aboard. My name is Jim Pointer. I've been driving the train since 2006. 2006 to 2008, we were in the back of Family Park, and out here since 2009 at the plaza, at the Nuttery. I've been here, I've been a resident for 40 years. My wife and I, we raised our kids here, and now they're working for the city, and they're raising their kids here. I love the nut tree. The children are great to work with. I love to be outside, and I've got the best of both worlds. But I enjoy working with the kids. And to see the smiles and stuff on their face, it's good. I mean, I retired from Chevron, so and I've done various things. I've done pesticide for a year, and Lowe's for almost a year. But I like being outside, so this gave me a chance to work outside with the kids. So it's been fun. All right, guys, all aboard. Bye, little one.
Say thank you.
All right, you have a nice Halloween, okay?
Can you wave bye-bye?
Bye-bye. Okay, don't forget to take care of yourself with your baby.